Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Signing with Omar. Today's video is going to focus on numbers 20 through 30. Are you ready? Let's get started. Now for the numbers 20 to 29, they're a little bit different from the other numbers that you'll sign. I find them a little bit more complicated, so I'm going to use this video to really break it down. Now let's start with the number 20. Simply take your thumb and your index finger, they're extended, while the other three fingers, your middle finger, your ring finger, and your pinky, are up against the palm of the hand. Now, with the thumb and index finger extended out, you'll bring them together twice. Let me show you what that looks like from the side. That is how you sign 20. Now for the numbers 21, you simply extend out your thumb and your index finger, and they'll be in like a right angle, while the middle finger, the ring finger, and the pinky are up against the palm of the hand. Now I tilt my hand on a slight angle. Now at the thumb, the joint of the thumb, I will bend it down twice. That is how you sign 21. Let me do that one more time. That is 21. For the numbers 22, a little bit different. I extend out my index finger and my middle finger, while the other three fingers are together against the palm of the hand. And what I'll do is I will bring the hands down from left to right in a small arc. 22. Now for the numbers 23, simply extend out your thumb, index finger, and your middle finger. Remember, the palm is facing the viewer. And what I do from here is I'll take my middle finger and bring that down twice. 23. Now you might see out in the community rarely 23, but in general you'll see just the middle finger moving. That is how you sign 23. Now for the numbers 24, simply extend out that thumb and the index finger for the 2. But for the 4, you now bring the thumb in and extend out the index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and the pinky. Let me do that one more time. 24. Now for the numbers 25, extend out all of your fingers, and with the middle finger, you will bring that down twice. 25. On rare occasions, you might see 20 and 5, but in general, what you will see is the middle finger going down twice, 25. For the numbers 26, simply bring out the thumb and index finger for the 2. Now for the 6, you will bring the thumb and the pinky together. So let me show you what that looks like. 26. For the numbers 27, bring out that thumb and index finger, they're extended. Now for 7, I'll bring my ring finger and my thumb together. 7. So let me show you what that looks like in real time. 27. For the numbers 28, that thumb and index finger are extended out. But for the 8, now I'll bring my middle finger and my thumb together. 28. For the numbers 29, simply extend out the thumb and the index finger for the 2, but now I'll bring my index finger and my thumb together. So let me show you what that looks like in real time. 29. Now I'm going to go over these numbers again, but let me show you 30. Simply bring your thumb, index finger, and middle finger extended out for the 3, and then for the 0, you'll bring the fingers together to touch the thumb. And let me show you what that looks like from the side. So 3, 0. That is how you sign 30. I'm going to go over all these numbers again, a little slower. Now, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, or normally as you would see, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Were you able to follow me? I'm going to do it a little bit quicker now. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Were you able to keep up? Now, if you're still having a little bit of problem, just go on and rewind this and replay this video over and over again until you actually get these numbers. Now, if you learned anything, and I hope you like this video, do me a favor, hit the like button and then subscribe. Last but not least, hit that notification button and stay tuned for my next ASL video.